If you are suspecting that you have a bad engine starter, this video is for you. We're going to demonstrate for you today how you can diagnose and check if your starter is on its way out the door. What we have here is we have a good battery, which we can tell has 12.4 volts, which means that it's probably just over 60% fully charged. The next thing we're going to do is crank the vehicle over. You'll notice that the RPM, while it's turning in revolutions, is a lot slower than usual. You'll also be able to see on this voltmeter here that the amperage drawn out of the battery from the starter is excessive. So the voltage is going to drop to probably 9 volts or lower. That is an indication that your starter is drawing entirely too much voltage. So let's get to rolling here. This is our voltmeter here, and a fully charged battery will be as close to 12.6 as possible. When the engine is running, you want to see over 13 volts here, indicating that the alternator is recharging the battery. I'm going to go jump into this vehicle here and turn it over. While you're watching this, be sure to take a listen to the engine, and you'll hear that it's turning over rather slowly. So as you can tell here, the engine barely turned over. It did not start. And our battery voltage dropped significantly. Now we're going to check to see that our battery voltage goes back to where it was originally to verify that the battery is still able to hold a good solid charge. So as we can see here, our battery is still recovering. It's only been about 2 minutes since we let it recover. We're going to go ahead and change the starter, and before we start the next segment of trying to restart it, we'll check the battery voltage one last time. So we've just replaced the engine starter on this Bronco, and as you can see here, the voltage is now returned to 12.45. Now when we started it, the voltage dropped significantly, but the fact that the voltage has returned to nearly the same level it was before trying to start it indicates that this battery is able to hold a charge all on its own. So now I'm going to demonstrate how the engine starter works now that it's been replaced.